How to make Google Drive link and share files on phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. Then click on plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, click on folders and create a folder. Add a name and press on create. After you have done that, simply click on the folder you just created. Click on plus button at the bottom right. And then click on upload. Upload the picture or video or any file you want to share. Then press on three dots at the top right. Click on manage access. Then click on change in here. After that, click on restricted at the top. Click on anyone with the link. After that, you will find link option at the top right. Simply click on it. It will directly copy it to your clipboard. And from there, you can simply send the link and you're good to go. This is how to make Google Drive link and share files on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.